Hello, a very good morning to all of you. Today we are going to start with the next unit, last unit, Unit 8 from English Balbhati textbook, lesson number 1, the sun. So before we start with this lesson, which is actually a poem, just telling you a few facts about the sun. So did you know that the sun is a star? Light from the sun reaches the earth in 8 minutes. Plants need sunlight to grow. Okay, so how much time it takes for the light of the sun to reach the earth? It takes only 8 minutes and it is so far away from the earth. Okay, plants they need sunlight. If the sunlight is not there, then the plants will not grow. Animals, including humans, need plants for food and oxygen they produce. Okay, so now why do we need plants? All the animals, we are also animals, huh? So humans, we are called human beings. So animals, including humans, we need plants. For what we need plants? We need plants for food. Okay, we get fruits, we get vegetables from the plants, and even though some people are non-vegetarian, what do they eat? They eat chicken, they eat mutton. Okay, so all this goat, chicken, and all, what do they eat? They eat food from plants only. Okay, so if plants are not there, then these animals will not survive. And if these animals are not there, then what will the non-vegetarian people eat? They cannot have these animals. Okay, so plants are very important for all the animals and for us also. And another thing what the plants gives us is oxygen. Okay, now look, when we breathe means हम जब सांस लेते हैं, then what happens? We take air inside. Now that whole air is not required by our body. Our body requires only oxygen. One gas only it requires oxygen. Okay, so that oxygen it is taking. So whenever you do anything, आप अगर कुछ भी काम करते हैं, तो there is always a waste product. ओके, आप खाना खाते हैं तो मॉर्निंग में पॉटी जाते हैं, क्यों? बिकॉज दैट इज द वेस्ट, वो जो यूज नहीं हुआ है उसको आपको बॉडी में से बाहर निकालना पड़ता है। मामा जब सब्जी बनाती है तो सब्जी काटती है तो सब कुछ नहीं यूज करती है, उसका छिलका होता है, सम पार्ट शी थ्रोज इट अवे, सो दैट इज द वेस्ट। सेम वे व्हेन वी ब्रीथ, okay, we take in the oxygen and the rest of the gases which we don't require, or there is a byproduct which we don't require. Okay, that is carbon dioxide which we throw out. Okay, हम क्या बाहर देते हैं? हम ऑक्सीजन, हवा में से ऑक्सीजन ले लेते हैं और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बाहर डालते हैं हवा में वापस. Okay, now in this way, if we all take in the oxygen, then oxygen in the air will be finished. One day it will be finished, but it never gets finished, it never gets over. Why? Because because of the plants. Do you know what the plants do? The plants take in the carbon dioxide and they give out oxygen. Like how we take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide, the plants, they what they do, they take in that carbon dioxide and give back oxygen to us. Okay, so because of the trees in our environment, there is a constant supply of oxygen. That is the reason we should plant more and more number of trees. ज्यादा से ज्यादा trees हमें लगाना चाहिए, so that we get more and more oxygen. Okay, all of us gets more oxygen. If oxygen is not there, we all will not survive. हम सब मर जाएंगे. Without oxygen, the living things cannot live. Okay. So ensure that you plant more and more plants around you. Next, without the heat from the sun, the earth would freeze. Freeze means ठंडा हो जाएगा. Because of the light and the heat from the sun, our planet Earth in the whole सोलार सिस्टम मतलब सारे प्लैनेट्स, इतने सारे प्लैनेट्स हैं, उसमें एक अर्थ पे ही लाइफ है, बाकी सब जगह पे नहीं है। क्यों? बिकॉज अर्थ से आगे सन के पास में जो भी प्लैनेट्स है उसमें ज्यादा गर्मी है, इट इज टू हॉट एंड लिविंग थिंग्स कैन नॉट लिव देयर। एंड जो अर्थ से दूर है, अर्थ के बाद में जो भी प्लैनेट्स है, वहां पे वो सन की गर्मी पहुंचती ही नहीं है, वहां पे बहुत ज्यादा ठंड है। सो दैट इज द रीजन द लिविंग थिंग्स कैन नॉट सर्वाइव। ओके, बट अर्थ पे एकदम प्रॉपर एग्जैक्ट जितनी गर्मी चाहिए उतनी ठंडी चाहिए उतनी ठंडी। सो इट इज एग्जैक्ट अमाउंट ऑफ हीट विच वी रिसीव, एंड दैट इज द रीजन देयर इज लाइफ ऑन द अर्थ। विदाउट दैट sunlight from or the heat from the sun, our earth would also would have been cold. And do you know that the light from the sun we can use for many things? Nowadays you must have heard of the solar panels बाहर street light पे लगाए हुए होते हैं, with the help of which we don't need electricity. Okay, many houses they have put solar panels on the terraces and they use the electricity generated from the solar panels. Okay, तो वो सन की एनर्जी को हम लोग ट्रैप करते हैं और उसमें से इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बनती है। सो वी नीड नॉट टेक वो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का बिल भी नहीं हमें भरना पड़ता है। ओके, ओनली सोलर पैनल्स हमें इंस्टॉल करने होते हैं। So it is actually energy. And does sun ask us for any money? नो, इट डजंट आस्क। वो सन ऐसा बोलता है कि मैंने अभी इतनी देर आपको लाइट दिया सुबह से शाम तक, तो आप मुझे इतना पैसा दो। No, no, sun never asks for money. But electricity company, they will give you electricity and they will ask for money, right? So sun, it offers free and clean energy in abundance. Abundance means जितना चाहिए उतना, आपको जितना सन का लाइट लेना है आप ले सकते हैं, उसका एक पैसा भी नहीं वो लेता है। Nothing is more important to us on earth than the sun. So that is why sun is very very important to us. Without the sun's heat and light, the earth would be a lifeless ball of ice coated rock. Okay, so sun ka heat and light, if it is not there, then there will be no life on the earth. It would be a lifeless ball of ice coated rock. So when the sun is giving so many things to us, do we ever say thank you to sun? No, we never say. Just like how when your mama, she is doing so much of work at home, right from the morning till the evening, she is busy looking after you, the family, cleaning, cooking, everything she is doing. But do we thank her? No, we never thank her, right? We forget to say thank you. So you should always say thank you to your mama also. Okay, now this is a poem about the sun, and this is written by the poet. The name of the poet is John Drinkwater. The name of the poet is John Drinkwater. Okay, so let's read the poem. I will explain each and every line. I told the sun that I was glad. I am sure I don't know why. Somehow the pleasant way he had of shining in the sky just put a notion in my head that wouldn't it be fun if, walking on the hill, I said, I am happy to the sun. So let's understand the poem. I told the sun that I was glad. So the poet, what is the name of the poet? John Drinkwater. The poet said to the sun that he was glad. What is the meaning of glad? Glad means happy, pleased, happy. He was very happy, and he doesn't know. He doesn't know why he's so happy. Somehow the pleasant way he had of shining in the sky. So what is the meaning of pleasant? Pleasant means friendly. The way the sun is shining, it looks very friendly. He likes the sun. It's very happy. He feels very happy when he looks at the sun. Or likeable, he likes the sun very much. The pleasant way he had of shining in the sky. Just put a notion in my head. Notion means what? Notion means an idea. Notion means an idea. It just put an idea in my head that wouldn't it be fun if walking on the hill I said, I am happy to the sun. So the poet is thinking, it just by looking at the sun, it's so nicely, it is shining, it looks so friendly, it is so nice to look at the sun. I don't know, I feel very happy when I look at the sun. So won't it be fun if I just climb on the hill and I say to the sun, I am very happy to look at you, I am happy. Okay, so this is a small poem. Let's now look at the rhyming words. Just find out the rhyming words from the poem. Glad, yes. Had, very good. Next, why? Sky. Next, head, said. Fun, sun. So write the rhyming words. Page number 72. Why? Sky. Fun, oh sorry. Glad, had. Fun, sun. Head, said. Now next exercise, look at the pictures and fill in the blanks using the words given in the brackets. So what are the words? Read this: eating, climbing, singing, shining. Okay, now look at the picture and read this. The sun is dash in the sky. So what should I write here? Eating, climbing, singing or shining? Yes, shining. Next, Raj is dash a ladder. So what is a ladder? Ladder means CD. So Raj is dash a ladder. So what it is? Eating, climbing, singing or shining? Yes, it is climbing. Next, John is dash a song. What should I write? Eating or singing? Yes, singing. John is singing a song. Next, Jenny is dash a banana. Yes, Jenny is eating a banana. Very good. So read and learn and write the spellings 2 times. Just read it for you. Glad, glad. Glad, glad. SOMEHOW, somehow. PLEASANT, pleasant. SHINING, shining. NOTION, notion. HAPPY, happy. So that's all. Bye.